What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob, yeah, let's go. Disco Bob, let's go. Tune in to Disco Bob, YouTube right now, let's go. Hey, Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe to Disco Bob right now.
Hello everyone, I hope everybody's awesome out there and safe. This is a little bit of a different video. I'm actually sitting in my car in Walmart's parking lot and it is pouring down rain here. I tell you guys, there ain't nothing better to me than and more comforting than sitting in the car while it's raining. It's so relaxing. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is very comforting. As you can see, it's really coming down here. I'm waiting to get out of the car so I can go into the store. I park far away on purpose just for exercise, to get my steps in. But yeah, it is a coming down out here. I mean, it's coming down pretty good. But like I said, it is so relaxing to sit in the car while it's pouring down rain. It's like an ASMR video, kind of, sort of like. I mean, I've done these videos in the past, kind of silent, but yeah, I kind of like this. When I was a little kid, I used to sit in the we used to go, I was probably about 10, 11 years old, we used to go to my stepdad's mother and dad's farm, and they had two barns. They had an old barn and they had a newer barn that had 10 around it. And we would go inside the one with the 10. And I tell you what, me and my cousins, my sister and my cousins, we'd all go in there and we would sit in the barn and sit on the hay or lay on the hay while it was pouring down rain, and it was so relaxing. I mean, you wouldn't believe how relaxing it actually was by sitting in the car. Well, it's sitting in the car here is relaxing, but sitting in that barn was very, very relaxing. You know, yeah, I loved it. But yeah, it's pouring down rain here. I'm here in Ohio. I'm at a Walmart. One of my Walmarts anyway. But yeah, it was pouring down rain this morning, but it wasn't raining quite as hard as it was. But it's raining pretty good. I don't want that guy to think I'm trying to record him on a video that's going by, and people kind of look at you when you're recording. You know, I always tell people, hey, I'm a YouTuber. So, you know how people can be. Some people, you know, I don't flash the camera on people, so I don't, you know, I don't need to I don't like to do that to people, because put the camera on them, because a lot of people are uncomfortable in being in the camera. A lot of people don't like being in the camera, which I can't blame them. I mean, I understand, you know, and I respect a lot of people. I try not to get people in the videos or in the camera. Me, I don't care myself, you know. You know, it really doesn't bother me unless I'm ready to be, you know. I don't want to be in the camera if I got stuff all over my face, or, you know, there's times and you know, there's times for that. But yeah, this is very nice. Very therapeutic to me, man. I tell you, it's very comfortable. I love it. But like I said, I loved it when I was a kid, when we go in that barn, and it would just, I'd be so comforting. You could just fall asleep in that barn with that rain hitting the tin roof. And then when I was a kid, we lived in trailers. When I was a teenager, we lived in a trailer. So being used to living in a trailer, and that rain would hit that trailer and come down, you know, hit the top of the trailer. That was very comforting. It put you to sleep too, that way too. And then we moved in a house, and you really couldn't hear the rain as much as you could if you were, you know, you couldn't hear the rain as much in a house. But unless it's pouring down, like my house now, unless it's pouring down rain, you know. But in trailers, it was very nice too. Very, very comforting. So, yeah, I love this. And then you look at the rain coming down on the window. There's nothing like it. I love that. I love the sound of it. And when I was going to the grocery store this morning, it was raining this evening now, but it was raining this morning, but not quite as heavy as this. But it slowed down some. It was really coming down before I parked in the parking lot. But I hope everybody enjoyed this video. So I'm going to get ready to get off here. It's starting to slow down and I can run into the store. So I hope everybody enjoyed this little video with rain inside the car. The sound of rain. Pretty relaxing, guys. So hey, everybody have a good one. And thanks for watching. You guys are all awesome. Have a good one, guys.
What's so funny, TSM?
You tuned in with the Disco Bob. Let's go, Disco Bob.